Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today I have for you guys a low cap altcoin which has a potential of 100x. I just want to say this idea behind this cryptocurrency is very interesting because it's connecting the gaming world into the cryptocurrency world. It just seems very unique, and at the same time the idea just seems to be something that will do very well in the future. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but will help me and you out, as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of Noscope, they decide to buy it, and at the end of the day it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 240 likes. If we smash that, that would be incredible. So talking about Noscope, the idea behind this cryptocurrency is trying to connect esports world into cryptocurrency world. So using this currency, which is called Noscope, you will be able to bet on your favorite team, duel other players in your favorite game to win prizes, and also all of this will be done on the Binance Smart Chain. By the way, you will be able to also trade collectible game items. Now I'm pretty sure most of you guys know that the gaming industry at the moment is growing so quickly and one of the fastest growing industries in the whole world. The esports industry, a lot of people who are older actually look down on it, but they do not understand the money that is involved. Just talking about the Fortnite World Cup that happened 2 years ago, the prize pool was 100 million US dollars. That is crazy. Now they are going to be partnering up with some big names. First of all, Binance Smart Chain, which is already done. Also MLG, Activision, Blizzard, FaZe Clan, which is obviously a clan for gaming, and 100 Thieves. Those are very big names when it comes to clans inside of any game. That includes Fortnite, Call of Duty, whatever game you think of, those two are pretty big names. The definitive esport hub. Bet on your favorite teams, think your favorite team will win, bet the scope on them, and big win. Now what you guys need to understand is overall their plan is to convert the US dollar or any cryptocurrency into the cryptocurrency which is called Scope, and you will be able to use Scope to bet on anything you want. You will also be able to fight against a friend, bet some money. At the same time, you will be able to purchase things in game items, trade and share with anyone, and that will be done through Scope. So there will be a lot of transactions done through this cryptocurrency, therefore increasing the price. So overall the idea does look very interesting. By the way, this token only came out 24 hours ago, so it's very new, and supercharge your platform experience by earning and stacking your Scope tokens. Settlement and fund transactions, grow your token via bets and duels. It is whale proof, so no one will be able to just dump so much back into the market, completely crashing the price, and you will see how it is whale proof. It's a little different concept. Discount on platform fees, boost and leverage duels and bet, and locked liquidity. Now if we look at the token distribution, you guys can see it is 60% in circulating supply. By the way, the total supply is only 100 million, which is a lot lower compared to those meme coins which have close to billion or sometimes even trillion. Now 60% of it is in circulating supply, 30% is in liquidity fund, and the 10% is team tokens. Now I know a couple of you guys will be pushed off due to that, like why is there a team token? 10% is quite high. That's close to 10 million tokens being held by the team. Can they do a rug pull? I know that is in your mind, but personally I don't think so, due to the fact why would they publicly tell? They are being so transparent, making sure everyone knows that the team is holding on to 10%, and if you actually scroll all the way down on the site, you can actually see the full team. I don't think anyone would want to show their face and be public if they are going to be doing a rug pull. Now if we look at the roadmap, you can see the future of Noscope. In the first quarter of 2021, they wanted to launch it on smart contract, wallet integration, and token sale. All three have been done. In the second quarter, they want to make sure that the security audit is done, finalize and launch the Noscope beta, launch collaboration with Overwatch, CSGO, and Valorant, which are big games, allow duels and bets, which will be done on those games. Launch Noscope, then also launch Noscope 1 1.0. So there's a lot of things that they want to do, and in the end they actually want to integrate it within Twitch. That would be huge for the prize. So overall, I do not see a rug pull. I know that is one of the main concerns everyone has when they are trying to invest in a new cryptocurrency. Not only because this video is sponsored, but I also feel like this team is genuine. Why would they show their face, also tell us that 10% is held by the team and stuff like that if they do want to do a rug pull? I just don't see the purpose behind it. But looking at their BSC scan, you guys can see they only have 23 holders, which could be pretty much like the team and also just their friends and family. 23 people holding onto this token isn't quite a bit, and at the end of the day, I personally feel like that is very early, and I feel like investing a little bit would not be a bad idea, because in the future this token does have a lot of potential. I still feel like it's very early. It's only been out for close to 24 hours, which is incredible and very early to get into the token, as it might be going 100x very soon. Looking at the chart, you guys can see just in the last 24 hours it has gone up 260%. The market cap is close to 17,000, and the green lines look very enticing, but it's only been 24 hours, so we cannot make a big claim yet. But 260% in the past 24 hours is a big run up. Again, there is only 23 holders, so they can make a huge difference. Now, the way this token is actually whale proof is you guys can see in the Noscope investor presentation. If we just make our way to the presentation, you can see they have put in everything there. They have seen why this would be a great idea. Then what is the Noscope platform? You can see that you will be able to do it with other players. You will be able to compete in tournaments using the Noscope token. There is also the distribution that they have shown. If you look at the tokenomics, this is where this is getting very interesting. Up to 50% fee on a large whale selling transaction that would be manipulating the market. So overall, if a whale decides to sell a lot of their token, which is going to be Noscope, they will be charged 50% fee, which would be half of whatever they are selling. So if they decide to sell $1 million worth, 500,000 will be taken as fee, because they do not want whale to completely dump their token and completely crash the price. If that ever happens in the future, that 50%, 25% will be redistributed to all the holders, 15% will be put in the treasury fund, and the 10% will be sent towards the liquidity fund. Overall, I still feel like this token has a good potential, and at the same time, I would not put all my life saving into it, but it's a good project and a good idea and a good team backing it up at the same time that you would want to invest a small bit of money that you do not mind losing. Overall, if you look at their Twitter page, you can see it's very new, and just the whole idea in general is very new, so we do not know what they can do. It could completely shoot off, or it could completely die down. Overall, it is worth investing a little bit of money into. Me personally, I will be putting some of my money, not only because they sponsored the video, but I just feel like it's a good idea. At the same time, they have shown their face, they seem legitimate, so there might not be a rug pull. But out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys go ahead and slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down, tap that red subscribe button. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.